Welcome to our video tutorial on building AR relaxation experiences. In this tutorial, we'll show you how to create a peaceful augmented reality environment using Java. We'll dive deep into the code and concepts, so make sure you stick around. First, let's talk about augmented reality. Augmented reality, or AR, enhances the real world by overlaying digital information on top of it. In our case, we aim to create a calming atmosphere by visualizing serene landscapes, soothing sounds, and gentle animations. To start off, we need to set up our development environment. For AR applications in Java, we can use the AR Toolkit or other similar frameworks. However, in this tutorial, we will focus on using Java 11 along with JavaFX for UI components and Unity for AR functionalities. Now that our setup is complete, let's create a new Java project. For simplicity, we'll use IntelliJ IDEA. Open IDE, create a new Java project, and make sure to include JavaFX in your dependencies. Next, we will initialize our project by creating a structure for our main application. This will include a main class, a view class for our AR scene, and potentially a controller to handle interactions. Let's start coding our main application class. In the main class, we are calling the launchApp method, which in turn starts our RView class. Let's create that class next. This will be the main entry point for our AR content. Now we have a simple JavaFX application running. To visualize our AR experience, we need to integrate AR technologies. We'll start with Unity. Open Unity and create a new 3D project. In Unity, after the project is created, you need to set it up for AR. To do this, go to the Package Manager and install the AR Foundation and ARKit plugin. This provides necessary components and capabilities for augmented reality. Next, we will set up our first AR scene in Unity. Create an AR session and an AR session origin. The AR session manages the AR lifecycle, and the AR session origin handles positioning and scaling of AR content. Once we have those objects set up, let's add some relaxing elements like a 3D model of a calming landscape. You can either create your own models or find free models online. For DIY, import them into Unity through the import dialog. With the 3D model imported, we can add it to the AR session origin. Drag and drop the model into the scene hierarchy under AR session origin. Make sure to position it correctly in the AR environment. To make our relaxation experience more balanced, let's add some ambient sounds. You can do this by importing audio files into Unity and using the audio source component. Make sure to set the audio to loop. To integrate your Unity project with your Java application, you can use a web view. Here is where things get interesting. You will expose your Unity AR scene through a local server and communicate with your JavaFX application. For the web view to load Unity's output, you'll modify the RView class to include a web view component. Your Java application will then access the Unity AR experience hosted on a local server using a URL link. Next, let's add some basic interaction features to allow users to reset the scene or change sounds. This can be achieved by attaching event handlers in JavaFX. As we are building an immersive experience, consider adding visual customizations. You may allow users to select different landscapes or change environmental lighting. In Unity, you could create a UI where users choose their desired settings. Let's summarize what we have covered so far. We have set up a JavaFX application that can host a web view displaying an AR landscape created in Unity. Users can interact with this AR world to relax and de-stress. If you want to enrich the experience further, consider implementing stress-reducing elements such as guided meditations or mindfulness prompts that appear as overlays in the AR environment. Implementing a dynamic text overlay for calming messages could be achieved using Unity's UI elements. Now, let's go ahead and compile our Unity project for deployment. You will need to select the right build settings for the platform you would like to target, whether that's Android or iOS. After building your Unity AR project, if you're targeting mobile devices, ensure that you configure permissions and support files accordingly so the AR features will work seamlessly. Congratulations! You have built a simple but effective AR relaxation experience using Java and Unity. Remember, this is just the beginning. There are endless possibilities to enhance this further by adding advanced AR interactions or more captivating landscapes. Thank you for tuning in. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on building AR experiences. Feel free to leave any questions or feedback in the comments below. Until next time, keep exploring